Hey guys, and welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is July 28th, 2020, and yeah, we can see that my profit is $136.35. And we just absolutely amazing. We killed it again today, guys. Amazing work. So yeah, let's just get into it. So today, again, I usually trade Amazon, which is AMZN, the ticker symbol, and let's just turn on to show trades here. All right, and like I continuously explain in my past videos as well, is that sometimes you have to wait, you have to be patient when it comes to day trading and all that, and just look for certain patterns. Now if you go back to my previous videos, you can clearly see that I've been talking about the sell-off. Like as soon as the market opens, we have this early morning sell-off here, and as soon as it sells off, we get a little push. It's either a quick nice gap up, and it doesn't always happen that way, but just majority of the times that's just what it is, and that's just what happened. So what I did was, again, I didn't get in at the absolute bottom. Even if I zoom in here a little bit, I'm not sure. Okay, right here it says 46. You can see 30, 46. I got in at 30, 46. Now that is right here. I did not get in at the absolute bottom. The absolute bottom would have been 30, 34, which is, we don't know if it would continue going down. But what I did was, you have to wait until you get this nice push up. You get the volume coming up. You see the volume starts dying down and it starts to pick up. That's exactly what I look for. So once we get the volume and the push and everything starts going up, I get in. And again, my method is scalp trading, so I get in and then I get out. So the first trade I took, I think I probably made like maybe $30-40 or so, and then the second time I got in and then I got out, I made $100. So within the first two trades, I think I took a screenshot of that, so I'll just show that on the screen. So within my first two trades, I made $100, and then I noticed after it came down, we had another spike. You see where the volume starts picking back up right here. And also to point out, we're above this EMA. Again, in my past videos, I keep explaining that it's best to try and trade above this EMA line right here. So it definitely helps out. And once you do that, I get in. And then right here, you see I got in at 30.58, and then I got out at 30.60. It was absolutely amazing. And then I think I went up to $127 from there. And right here, this is a trade that I probably shouldn't have taken. Reason being is because look at what starts happening here. We had this nice this gap down right here, this pullback, and push up. So I should have waited. Again, I took too long, and this is what comes with day trading too. You're risking the profits that you already accumulated, and you're gonna be giving it back if you're not very cautious. So again, you don't want to overtrade. That's rule number one. And the second rule is you have to be patient when it comes to stuff and wait for the opportunity to present itself, and then you get in and then you get out. But right here, I missed out on this, and so I waited for the bounce, and what happened was it started to consolidate right here a little bit. I was still lucky to get out right here. It went higher up. You can see if I just pull it back right here, it went up a little bit and it went a little more. But again, once I get in and I get out, that's it. I called it a day. I ended my day with $136. I'm super happy with that. And yeah, we can clearly see what happened for the rest of the day. We saw that it kept going down and pulling back and going down, and until it pretty much broke its full support right here at 30.40. It was holding a support right here nicely, and as soon as that broke, we just gapped all the way down. And again, you have to remember the reason why it's selling off is because we have earnings coming up, and that would be on this Thursday. Right here, we have earnings coming up right here, and usually what happens is we have this earnings sell-off. If we take a look at the previous earnings here, we can see it did pretty much the same thing. So no different. Just take your time, just focus on one ticker if you can, and just keep practicing. That's pretty much what I did, and I'm just happy to show you guys my videos here. Let me know how you guys doing in the market. Are you guys actually traded today? Did you make a profit? Did you make a loss? Let me know in the comment section down below. It'll really just get a community going on right here and all that. So yeah, so if you that's pretty much my video for today. So if you like what you see and all that, smash that like button, hit that notification. Man, this is YouTube, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube. Peace.